This is how easy it is to install this unit. This is the main line coming in from the city. As you can see, that is a shutoff valve. Always put a shutoff valve on that main line. Then when you come in, you go into the arrow, it says arrow in. Then the other arrow is out. Then you come on over, go over to the other system that has the number 2 on it, and then go to the arrow in, okay, and then the arrow out, which goes back to the house and goes back into the house, okay? That's the easy hookup, okay? Arrow in, arrow out. Go over to the other one, arrow in, arrow out to the house. And that's it, okay? Your next step is to hook up the drain line. This is the drain line where it comes out, okay? This is a backflow preventer, and you need the backflow preventer when you do this. When you come out of here, backflow preventer there too, okay? Come out of the unit with a backflow preventer. Then you come over here, and it goes out with one pipe going out, okay? You can run it where you want. That's your drain line. Now, if you're gonna run 2 separate drain lines, 2 separate ones, you don't need the backflow preventer. You can just put it on without that and run it on out, okay? Once it's all hooked up in the back, you come out here, okay, and set the time on it. Come up here close for a minute and set the time. You can see down here in the bottom. What you do is you push this red button in, and you turn these gears on the top to the right time of day. Show it right down here. Right time of day shows up down here, and then you just let that button back out. Sometimes that button will catch like that, but all you got to do is just rock those gears a little bit like that, and it'll pop back out. That's it. This part here, don't touch. It should be set already, okay? And when you first put it in, okay, the first tank in line, which is this one right here, okay, you go ahead and you set it to back flush. Turn it up to back flush and let it back flush. You'll see if you can see the drain line, you watch till it gets clear, because it'll come out black. But this is to put it in the back flush. That'll go all the way around, and it'll come back just like this one here, and to service. And when it's in service, then it's going through the unit. But you run it through each one of these stages on each one of them, this one too, just like that, and let it back flush. But do this one first. Do the number 1 first, back flush it, get it set up all the way around till it's back into here, okay? And that's it. Same with this one. Now, when you're installing it though, remember to do this right here. When you're installing it, make sure the whole time these bypass valves are on bypass like this. See where it says the little thing there that says bypass? Make sure the whole time you're installing these, it's on bypass. The last thing you do when you go to fill the first tank first, this one, you open this one up, you fill it, okay? And go ahead and back flush it some. Then you come over here and you do the same thing here. You open this one up and then you back flush it and you're ready to go. But let them back flush, go all the way around a few minutes, and then you're fine.